ain't no next in line, you'll find here. All you're gonna need, no greed and no fear. At least 3.5 to keep your section in tune. Release and unleash the perfection. This won't stop till the cops cock block and with the 12-gauge stock sweeping me off the block. Cause show us wiggles, pop block, my show got your fatty, your back guaranteed as the show shot. No Dreddy smash, just a ball head flash, mucho placazos, and don't forget we bomb herb stash. Cause these days I pray when take flights. I sleep and smoke all day and work nights. Rock, right or left coast, it's only right I give a toast as the host to all y'all folks. Hi, it's time me head then for madness as we throw down. We bring the six sides, so gather round.
¿Qué ondas, muchacho? Arriba las manos, gabacho moreno, penetra tu barrio. Le enseño a rolas de rock back frente. Black again, esto pa' la gente. It's no coincidence, the 5'10", the Latin slang push your brainstorm. DH in better form, and did I mention DH will rock the whole damn nation from block to block. It don't stop till we see the cops moving to a better spot. Hip hop won't stop, pop, lock, and break, maybe even skate. I get my tank or the flesh breaks, bringing real Spanish and damage. Those who imitate try to emulate, but they fake. Got your case, penetrate, stimulate. With a sound they love to hate. Put your hands in the sky, no lie, it feels good, and my track gets props in the roughest neighborhoods.